All right, April 5th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. I'm meteorologist Matthew East here with you. Let's begin with some cameras this morning. This is a look up at the Beach Mountain Parkway cam from our friends at resortcams.com. 16 degrees there. How about that? That is a cold April morning underway. Let's take a peek at Winston-Salem State University there in Winston-Salem. Temperature at 38 degrees during the 5 a.m. hour. And finally, we'll take a peek at the Dowd YMCA camera. They're in uptown Charlotte. Clear, crisp morning, 41 at the Charlotte Douglas International Airport. Highs yesterday generally occurred very early in the day. In fact, pre-dawn in many spots, with some falling temperatures as we got deeper into the day. So these highs a little bit deceptive, rather, when you look across the Triad and the Charlotte region. So it was not a typical temperature day. Now, these are temperatures during the 5 a.m. hour this morning. Much chillier across the region. In fact, many of us 20 to 30 degrees colder now than what we had at this time back on Wednesday morning. Radar, satellite, quiet, not only in the Carolinas, but all across the southeast. Our next system taking shape back in the plains. Some clouds in Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, Missouri, some snow up into parts of South Dakota, Montana. That is all the beginnings of our next storm system. That is, again, taking shape there in the middle part of the country. In the meantime, today we're in good shape. This high pressure gives us a very, very quiet weather day. There's futurecast, no problems today or tomorrow locally. But by tomorrow night, the showers beginning to arrive. In fact, maybe as early as tomorrow late afternoon in the high country as this next storm system organizes and moves in our direction. Details in just a second. But today, again, severe clear across the region. We're in good shape. Plenty of sunshine. Your highs this afternoon look like that. So a cooler weather day, but plenty of sunshine, not too bad. And then lows will be chilly, but not as cold as what we had this morning. All right, so tomorrow, morning sunshine, then clouds building in deeper in the day. And I think, again, maybe some showers creeping into the mountains late Friday afternoon, and there's certainly some rain becoming a possibility as we get into Friday night. As that system organizes, severe weather threat tomorrow, places like Dallas, Shreveport, over toward Jackson, Mississippi. Your Category 2 slight risk back that way. In the meantime, again, a pretty nice Friday locally. There's our highs on Friday afternoon. Not too bad at all. Saturday, there's that system rolling in. A lot of folks with outdoor plans this weekend. Again, the good news, Sunday looks just fine. And I think we might, in the Interstate 85 corridor, maybe get the rain out of here by early afternoon Saturday. I'll show you that in just a second. But here we go. Saturday morning, rain rolling in, and then gradually working eastward through the day, and then by Saturday afternoon, again, notice the rain pulling off to the east, over into the eastern parts of North and South Carolina. European model showing you the footprint of snow in the mountains by the end of the system, and then really staying up into the Virginias and Kentucky. So there's your snow accumulation map from the European model. And again, that footprint of snow staying to the north of most of North Carolina outside of the mountains. And I think that's probably the correct idea. Rain can be pretty generous in some spots, especially, I believe, the I-40 corridor and points north. Chance to get an inch of rain up that way. As you get into the southern parts of North Carolina, I still like that half inch or so idea for rain amounts. And then instability. This is the CAPE, the Convective Available Potential Energy product from the Futurecast modeling, showing you that unstable air creeping into parts of eastern, south, and North Carolina. So there is a severe weather threat for places like Charleston and Myrtle Beach up toward Wilmington and the Outer Banks by Saturday afternoon. All right, let me show you a little bit more on the detailed modeling here. We'll go to the European model first, and I'll step you through this storm system. And again, this is Saturday early afternoon, and then we go to Saturday evening as the system departs. And so, again, the footprint of snow generally staying outside of the mountains to the north of North Carolina. Let's go to the Canadian. This is Saturday early afternoon, and then we go to Saturday early evening as the system departs. Sunday will be dry, and then here's the next piece of energy arriving Monday afternoon, and then Monday evening. So again, some snow into the Virginias, but that second little piece of energy possible too. Finally, the 0Z run of the GFS. This was daybreak Saturday, and close, maybe some sleet pellets mixing in near the Virginia border, but again, I think the most likely scenario at this point is a chilly rain for the northern part of North Carolina. And then in the southern part of North Carolina, kind of a cool rain with some maybe falling temperatures Saturday afternoon as the rain exits. And then there goes the system, maybe ending in some wet snowflakes in northern North Carolina. But again, I think the significant snow potential generally staying a little bit to the north. Finally, the latest run, the 60 run of the North American model. And I just wanted to show you how early this might try to get out of here. This is 10 a.m. Saturday. And then we go to 1 p.m. Saturday. That rain already exiting off to the east. So that's the general idea with this system. Another system arrives with some rain potential Monday, but again, Sunday looks good, plenty of sunshine. All right, that is it for the latest edition of the video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.